Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. True Jamaican vibes, fire Reid. Big up on yourself, prepare for one love and one heart. So right now I am in Balaclava in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man. Always remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell and press all. So as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. So I am at the Balaclava police station on your left. Yeah, man, so you're gonna approach Balaclava town you know. So look at Balaclava town. Beautiful sunny day. So if you make a right turn, it will take you all to St. Paul's district or community. Yeah man, big up on yourself, all the St. Paul's people them. Yeah man, when you come to Balaclava, you can get a nice jerk pork and jerk chicken. I think that's Danny's place, you know. So Danny's place on your left, and also the courthouse is on your right. Yeah man, so that is St. Elizabeth Parish Court outstation in Balaclava. And also you have a Roger Clark High School. If you make a left turn, it will take you all to Roger Clark High School in Balaclava, St. Elizabeth. On your right, you have the Balaclava Baptist Church. So we are now leaving Balaclava. from a Balaclava, you can go them place like you can go head on to, I think it's Oxford. And if you check out Nice River also, look at them place here. Very close to Nice River. A lot of persons come to Nice River all the while and never know it's very close to Balaclava town area. When you're in Balaclava, you also can go to a place them call near Mile Gully Comfort Hall, New Green. As you can see, everybody enjoy the music. So if you make a left turn, it can take you all to Acton Betty, Chai, My Gully, and also straight ahead, I think it said take you out to Williamsfield, Mile Gully, Manville, Balaclava, Magati. Yeah man, just read the signs them, you know. Left turn that take you out to Nice River. As you can see, the road condition, so take your time and paper on the road. Cause a lot of accident at times because of the road condition. People are swing out a pothole and carry them off a road. Yeah man, so no breadfruit tree and starper tree when coming to the country. Yeah man, on the breadfruit tree, yellow heart breadfruit. So we're now in Manchester, my people, Manchester. Yeah man, so we're there Comfort Hall in Manchester. Some nice weather today, very sunny. Now the Comfort Hall area.